Alright, welcome to another DIY reaction video. So here we have someone doing a coffee table. She's got the wavy shape going for this one. I love these type of videos. And of course she has to do the ivory color because that's the most popular hue for table designs. But this is cute. I love the tulips on the table. Next up, we have some clay. So usually when I see these kind of projects, we already saw like what she's going to do in the upper left corner, but they usually use like the wooden beads, and she decided to switch it up with some clay. I think it gave it like a nice little like area effect. Oh, so here we have another DIY coffee table. Oh, I love how she's doing the legs. Going in with more of that ivory hue. Oh, so pretty. I love this one. The legs just look so cute. So here we have an action DIY. Going in with the granite spray paints. Oh, she made a nice little table tier tray. What do they call this? Or what do they call this? I don't know. I like the matte black candles though. Okay, so here we have some placemats. Oh, really cool bohemian ceiling lights. And then we have a cloud with some clay. Oh, they're painting it blue. Oh, this is so pretty with the gold around the perimeter. It's like she made a bunch of bowls. Oh, okay, I didn't like this until she started painting it gold. Oh, that's beautiful. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Let's make a mirror frame. So we got like the wavy mirror here. She's doing a frame for it with some cardboard. Taking some paper bags. Now this is really going to add some texture to the piece. Some tape. This looks like a lot of work. You could tell a lot of love went into making this piece. A lot of love, a lot of time, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Ooh, that's beautiful though. Definitely a masterpiece. Alright, so what do we have here? I'm not even sure what this is that she's showing us. Whatever it is, she's sanding it down. I wonder if you could use like a hula hoop or whatever this is that she has. or like a big wooden circle ring hoop. Yeah, I feel like you could totally use a hula hoop for this. FYI. Oh, she's making like a ring light or something. That's pretty cool. And yeah, you could totally use a hula hoop for that. Just spray paint it black. Alright, so here we have some pool noodles. I know how much you guys will love the pool noodle DIYs. A vase. This one definitely seems simple enough to recreate. I think she's making some type of ottoman. So you're basically going to put the fabric. Oh no, she has some cushion here. Okay, so she's making a pattern here. Looks like a big flower. And then now she's adding in the fabric. Yeah, because the pool noodles are going to give it like a nice amount of cushion. Cushion for the pushing. This is cute. I feel like it would be like very comfortable as well. Very nice. Wow, that is cute. Who knew? Pool noodles. That is crazy. Alright, so here we have some type of paper mâché project. It looks like she's doing a bowl. A bowl made out of reused and recycled paper. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. And we have an action DIY. Looks like they're making a planter. Oh, cute. Definitely puts me in the mood for spring. Whoa. Okay, that is a very unique table design. Okay, this project is definitely not beginner friendly, but I really like the shape that she does here. I think it's definitely unique and different. Yeah, this is another project where you're like putting your blood, sweat, and tears into it and just kind of like spending hours, if not days, crafting magic. Look at all of this. Wow. So worth it though. Very cute idea. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.